In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a password from a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you've forgotten a password or simply want to make a document more accessible to others, knowing how to remove a password from a PDF can be quite handy. So, let's dive in. First, open the password-protected PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is the first critical step, as you'll need the software to access the specific tools we'll use today. After you've double-clicked the PDF or selected Open through the application, the document will prompt you for the password. Enter it as requested to gain access and proceed. Now, with the PDF open, you'll want to look towards the upper right part of your Acrobat window where the tools reside. Click on Tools, and from there, navigate to the Protect section. Once you're in the Protect menu, move through the options to find Encrypt, and then select Remove Security. Alternatively, you can access this by choosing All Tools, then Protect a PDF, and finally select Set Security Properties. This step is essential as it will lead you toward unlocking the document by removing its security features. Depending on the kind of password protection your document has, the next step might vary. If the document is secured with a Document Open password, you've got the easiest path ahead. Just click OK when prompted, and Adobe Acrobat will remove the password for you right away. However, if the document is secured with a permissions or owner password, it's slightly different. In this case, you'll need to enter this specific password when prompted by the software. Once you've entered the correct password, click OK to proceed. Once you've successfully navigated through these prompts and the password protection is removed, it's essential to save your document to ensure these changes are applied. Go to File, and then select Save As to save the document in the same location or a new one, with or without changing the file name. By doing so, you will have created a new version of the document that no longer asks for a password when opened. And there you have it. You've just removed the password from your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro, ensuring that accessing and sharing your document is now much more straightforward. Remember that while removing passwords makes documents more accessible, always be mindful of the sensitivity of your information when doing so. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.